Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. He said, "He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it." Today, I'm going to show you the most powerful force in the universe and how you can use it to retire as a multi-millionaire, even on a modest salary. What is compound interest? In simple terms, it is interest on interest. When you invest money, you earn interest. The next year, you earn interest on your original money plus the interest you earned the year before. Over a short time, it looks small, but over 20 or 30 years, it explodes upward like a rocket. It is the only way to make your money work harder than you do. The penny doubling story. If I offered you $1 million right now, or a single penny that doubles every day for 31 days, which would you take? Most people take the million, but the doubling penny becomes 10.7 million by day 31. Compound interest works the same way. The biggest gains happen at the very end. You just have to stay in the game long enough to see the magic happen. Time is more important than money. This is the most important lesson for young people in America. If a 20-year-old invests $200 a month until age 60, they will have over $1.2 million. If a 30-year-old starts and invests the exact same amount, they will only have about $500K. That 10-year delay cost them $700,000. You can always earn more money, but you can never buy more time. The reverse compound interest. Remember that this force works against you too. Credit card debt is compound interest in reverse. When you don't pay your bill, the bank charges you interest on your interest. This is why a $1,000 credit card balance can turn into $5,000 in just a few years. You must stop paying compound interest and start earning it. Start today. You don't need a lot of money to start. You just need a lot of time. Even $5 a day can change your life if you start right now. Tomorrow, for day 20, we are talking about money mindset, how to reprogram your brain for success.